In this video, I'll show you how to connect Make.com to Instagram. First, let's be clear, of course, you can connect Make to Instagram, but you will usually need an Instagram professional account, business or creator. A personal account cannot be connected to Make. And of course, you would like also a Facebook page that's linked to Instagram, and of course, a Make.com account. So make sure to go to Make.com and log in into your account. Then let's just go here and click on create a scenario as example. And all we need to do here, just click on the plus button. So here we'll have to look or search for Instagram. Once we do so, here we will find Instagram for business alone. Of course, as I said, there is no professional or there is no personal account option. So the things that you can do with make.com, you can create a carousel post, get a post, or list a post. If you go here and click on show more, you'll see all the triggers or all the things that you can do on Instagram, like watch event. And here, as you can see, a lot of things to do. So whatever you want to do. As an example, for me, I'm just going to choose or to do a very easy thing like create a photo post. And here you'll have to click on create a connection to connect your Instagram. So click on that, and here you'll have to give the connection a name as an example. So I'm just going to name it that for now. Click on save, and here it will open a new tab for you. As I said, you will need you will need a Facebook page linked to your Instagram account. Keep that in mind. So, of course, you should be logged in into your Facebook as well. Make sure to go and click on continue and give access. And once you give access, as you can see, I am now connected to my Instagram account. I can just go and enter here the photo URL that will be posted as an example, depending on what I choose here. If I choose another thing, it may give me other settings to edit instead of the photo URL. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.